Hello and welcome to Add-on. So today we have this question. A certain ruby laser emits 1 joule pulses of light whose wavelength is 6940 Armstrong. So we need to determine how many chromium 3 plus ions or Cr3 plus ions do we need at the very least to generate this laser pulse. Right, so what is the minimum number of chromium 3 plus ions in the ruby laser? So let's first check what we are given and write them down. So the laser energy per pulse, which we will write as P, is 1 joule. So let's write it. Given power of the laser, power, which we will write as P. So P is 1 joule, right? And the wavelength of the light is given as wavelength of the light given by lambda is equal to 6940 Armstrong. Or we can write it as 6940 into 10 to the power minus 10 meters. Right. Now we know that the power of the light pulse can be determined by the energy wavelength relationship. But how do lasers work at the atomic level? Well, in a ruby laser, the Cr3 plus ions or the chromium 3 plus ions get excited to a higher energy state. So when they drop back down, they release energy in the form of photons or light particles, creating our laser pulse. So to figure out the minimum number of Cr3 plus ions involved, we will just use the energy wavelength relationship. So let the number of Cr3 plus ions in the ruby lasers, ions in laser be n. Right. No, now we know that the power of light pulse is given by P equals to N8C by lambda. Now this is the key equation where P is the laser's power or energy per pulse, which is 1 joule. It is given. And N is the number of Cr3 plus ions that we need to find, right? And H is Planck's constant, and whose value is approximately 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. And C is the speed of light, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And wavelength is given, which is given as 6940 Armstrong. So we will just plug in the values in this equation. So P is 1 joule. N into 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 into speed of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 6940 into 10 to the power minus 12. Right. Now we need to calculate n. So we will rearrange the equation. So keeping n in this side, we have 1 into 6940 Armstrongs divided by 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power 8. So after calculating the value of this equation, we have n approximately equals to 3.4945 into 10 to the power 18 ions. So the minimum number of chromium 3 plus ions needed in this ruby laser crystal is roughly 3.4945 into 10 to the power 18 ions. Now to summarize, we found that to produce a single 1 joule pulse of light with a ruby laser at the wavelength 6940 Armstrongs, we would need at least 3.4945 into 10 to the power 18 ions. This calculation shows us the incredible number of ions working together to produce the powerful laser beams inside this ruby laser. Now using the same formula, we can calculate the number of ions in a laser pulse. Thanks for watching.